Imagine earning money while you sleep. The best part? Artificial intelligence does most of the work for you. Welcome to NextMindset. I'll show you 3 practical steps to build automated income using AI, even if you're starting from scratch. Step 1. Find a profitable idea. Start by using ChatGPT to generate digital product ideas like ebooks, templates, or mini courses. Combine that with tools like Google Trends or Answer the Public to validate demand. For instance, ask ChatGPT for ebook ideas. Step 2. Create the product using AI tools. Use ChatGPT or Jasper AI for content, and design with Canva or Midjourney. Step 3. Monetize it. Upload your product to platforms like Gumroad or Etsy to generate income. The secret is consistency. 1 focused hour a day can change your income stream. 2025 is the decade of AI. You don't need $10,000 or a computer science degree. Just curiosity and the decision to start. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up and subscribe to NextMindset. See you in the next video.